I think that in gardening, there is no right or wrong, so don't worry about it. I'm going to be taking you through the whole process of growing flowers from seed, from planning to the sowing, the growing, and there's so much variety that you can grow from seed. This is Poppy Amazing Grey, and it's just got these beautiful mauve grey flowers, and you will never find that in any garden centre. I'm out here today in my greenhouse, which is absolutely my favourite place to be in spring. We are in mid-June now. My cut flower patch is really come to life. It shows you what you can do with just a few packets of seed. It's now September and a lot of the things that I've grown are now going to seed. There's an old saying that hollyhocks only grow outside a happy house, so I hope that's true. I want to demystify the whole process of growing things from seed. I don't want it to be scary, and I just want to show you that it's a really easy thing to do. So I encourage you to give it a go and come along with me on this course. And I hope that you, like me, get the bug for it and you'll be doing it year after year. Learn to grow flowers from seed with me, Clare Foster.